Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to fix mobile data not working problem on Redmi Note 14. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.